next step is to create a demo user for our base database service inside that pluggable database we're going to use for development, which is the only pluggable database on that service, because it was just created with a single pluggable database. So you need to run, let me copy the script. And this script is called create demo user sh. So I'm going to need the same database SID. So let's first edit the script to add the variables here. And first variable is the database SID. The demo user name is demo. You will need to specify the password you used and you have specified when you created the base database service. In my case, I'm going to use a very simple password, but this is just an example. I'm going to terminate all these services as soon as I finish recording the videos. And it's just a password I'm using as an example, but do not use the same password, use your own password. So this is the password I used when I created the database service. And the PDB name, it has to be the same as the PDB name you have specified for the PDB in your environment. This is the PDB name. But you can leave it if you have just one single PDB, or if you want to use the first PDB you have on that machine, like in this case, you don't have to specify a PDB name. This is optional. So I'm not going to specify a PDB name. I'm just specifying the password I used when I created the service, name of the user for the demonstration or for development purposes, the sandbox user, and the SID for the database, and that's it. Let me save the file and close it, and then create demo user script, execute it using the source command on the same compute node. And the users have been created, everything was fine. And this is all.